how to buy Kibble token. So this token came under the symbol of KIB. And now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So this token is available in MEXC. You can buy it from your account in MEXC. Now how to do that? Now first of all, get your account in MEXC like that. So if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your account with some USDT. Now so that's what you need to do. Just type the token name, it will be KIB like that, and click on this pair. Now after that, what you need to do, well, a few seconds to load this page as you can see here. Now after that, click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy KIB. Now if you select the market, you can direct this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click on buy KIB. So this is how to buy KIB token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.